Hey, my darling. You've been having a lot of trouble sleeping here lately. I'm not sure what's going on in that mind of yours, but try your best to set it aside for now. It's time to at least try to get some rest. Yes, I know. Tonight might be another repeat of yesterday, but you have to at least try. You can do that for me, can't you? Good. Now, get into bed while I bring you your favorite blankets and pillows to help you out. There. Now you're all snuggled up in a cute, comfy burrito. So, you don't have to tell me what's been going on with you and what's been getting you down. I know your sleep schedule can be a bit wonky, but what you've been dealing with is a bit of cause for concern. You don't think it's worrisome? My dear, you've been having sleepless nights and no naps in the daytime. Where are you even finding time to rest your eyes some? You're not? Well, even more reason to try and get some much needed sleep tonight. I'm sure you've already noticed, but it's been drizzling rain. It's your favorite sound to help you whisk off to sleep, so tonight's already off to a better start than the other nights you've tried. Now, that you're in bed and peacefully waiting for the Sandman to pay you a visit, I want you to do something for me, okay? You think you can do that? Okay. Let's start by relaxing your body. You don't think you need to? Well, that's where you'd be wrong, my dearest. Unclench your jaw. Uncurl your toes. Let your muscles and body just melt into the bed. Good, good, good. You're doing wonderfully. You do so much every day. You may not think so, but you do. Your mind, your body needs this rest desperately, so let's start the next phase. Let's control your breathing. I can tell you're anxious about something. Whatever it is that is endlessly circulating in your mind, try to calm it. Think of what you are feeling as a small but harmlessly ravenous animal. They're afraid, frightened of the unknown, unable to understand the complexities of life just like so many of us in our everyday-to-day life. This is your chance to soothe that animal. It's okay. Shh, shh, it's okay. It's okay. Shh. It's gonna be okay. That's it. Try to ease yourself. Easy. In, 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4. Very good. There you go, my sweet. You're doing great. The last step is the easiest one. Want me to tell you? Okay, you just close your eyes and wait. That's it. What do you mean? I told you it was the easiest, silly. Your body is calm. Your breathing has slowed. All that's left now is to close those beautifully sweet eyes and wait for slumber to come. There you go. Thank you for trying your hardest for me tonight. You really are doing amazing. And now we wait. I'll stay with you until you're safely in your realm of dreams. Don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna stay right here and make sure no one bothers us. You're safe. You're cared for. And most importantly, you're loved. Good night, my sweet angel. May the most pleasant of dreams find you tonight.